Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer domain from IONOS to Hostinger. Now the first thing I want you to do is just log into your IONOS account, and then here in the dashboard I want you to click on menu and then click on domains and SSL, right? And from here, what I want you to first do is locate the domain you intend to transfer to Hostinger, okay? And then I want you to click on these three dots under action. So we'll do it for this domain. Click on these three dots and then come here and click on renewal and transfer. And it would redirect you to this page. And to basically start a domain transfer, you click here, start domain transfer. But before that, we need to ensure that, if yours is logged, okay, depending on your domain, it could be logged on your domain type. Then what you need to do is go ahead and toggle this one off and disable this first. And if you do not see this toggle button, that means your whois privacy is turned on. So here under privacy and contact details, make sure you toggle off privacy registration. If I show you mine is actually public already, so that is fine. So what you need to do next is you need to go to renewal and transfer, okay, and obtain the transfer authorization code, right, to change your provider. So come here, click on show authorization code, and then you copy this authorization code, right? And once you're done with this, I want you to come here to this URL, hostinger.com/transfer-domain. And now here, what you do is you enter the domain you want to transfer. So we'll do this domain right here. Click on transfer. It will search up the domain. As you can see, this one is available for transfer. You'll see the price as well. And it's a very simple process. You just enter this authorization code, right? After basically you are proceeding here, I'll show you how to do that. And then you click on checkout. They'll send you a confirmation email where you basically confirm, and the domain will be placed with Hostinger. So you click here on transfer, and now you just proceed with the payment, okay? So you get redirected to this page. Right here, you can also add some additional options. So we'll scroll down here. You'll see the other options they have available, for example, email, hosting, things like that. And if you need those, you just add them as well. You'll see the prices. And then what you need to do is continue with this process. And of course, you will need to sign in if you haven't already. If you hadn't done that already, you will need to go ahead and enter your billing address, enter your payment method, and then of course just enter the authorization code to complete the domain transfer. Click on the confirmation letter from your domain registry, and it's really that easy. And that is how to transfer domain from IONOS to Hostinger.